Hi everybody, this is Catherine Nicholson from the agency, and this is one big gate. There's a really long driveway because my client loves his privacy. Are you curious? All right, let's have some fun. Did I mention the views? Entering down this super hip lighted walkway captures the energy of this 60s Zen contemporary in the Oaks area of Los Feliz in Los Angeles. This is a tranquil home, but this is a really fun home and a place to recharge in privacy. Every single room has a gorgeous view from downtown Los Angeles to the ocean. The first floor has a wonderful open floor plan, perfect for entertaining and the heart of the home. Gallery walls lend themselves to art or actually being an artist, like the living room chalkboard, just waiting for some inspiration. Bird's eye maple wood floors add to the light and airy feeling. The huge family room off the kitchen has a drop-down screen for hosting sports or movie nights and plenty of room for everybody. Beside the views, what I love about this house is the open floor plan. Woohoo! My 11-year-old is going to be so jealous. Top-of-the-line appliances in the kitchen and incredible double-height windows means you'll have light and forever views for a 5-star cooking experience. Off the kitchen is a beautiful open dining space, making full use of the wide expanses of glass. Joining it is the quintessential hip 60s living room with a stylish, cozy fireplace, perfect for after-dinner conversation and enjoying the city lights. The master suite is also ensconced in its own separate space on the first floor for the ultimate in privacy. A peaceful retreat, it has a fireplace, wraparound glass, sliding doors to the views, and a large closet. The bathroom is a calming Zen sanctuary with natural stone shower and separate spa-like bath with a waterfall. Under the massive wood-beam carport, the perfect place to work out with warm breezes and wide views. One floor down, the maple floors continue to a flexible hangout space that can be used for a pool table, games, or watching TV. 3 other bedrooms, all with their own bathrooms, span out along the central hallway. Every single room feels special, with French doors looking out to the city. Down on the lower level, the stunning pool deck nestled into the hillside has ledger stone walls and a dramatic waterfall cascading down from the spa, looking out towards the ocean. Completely private, this is your own slice of heaven. Various decks offer multiple areas for parties under the stars. The stone decks, like the magnificent windows, span the length of the house on all levels. High up here, enjoying the sunset and relaxing after a long day, you'll never want to come down to earth.